Yo guys, so welcome back to the channel. So today we're in this construction site and we're going to try and actually get in the proper building, but it's going to be quite difficult because there's nowhere really open as it for a small window up there.
There's kind of like two ways to get on this. You can either go the easy way, the ladder, or you can go up
that way,
the parkour way.
And anyway, I'm already freaking muddy.
Yeah, same, because we've already tested it out and everything, but
we've literally just came in.
We've already tested it out and
we've literally just
it's
came
good enough
in,
to climb.
We're already muddy. That is how bad it is in here. Alright, you ready?
Okay, let's go.
Oh, fuck! Ow! That hurt.
I'm a ninja.
Yo, good bro, I'll get on this roof as well. Oh, the squeeze! He's got up. What the fuck?
Hi guys, there's a window. We're at the top, well, not to the top yet because we've still got another floor. We're up to and from the floor and that. There's a window here that we could try and get through.
I could possibly fit through that.
Alan possibly could, Ethan possibly could, but going to be quite hard for me. But as you can see, ArgMercz is going to dangle off one of these things. And if you look down there, if he falls,
He did.
he'd probably dead. Oh, he's a young savage god. Right, kid, calm it.
Okay.
And there's still another two ways that you can get up here. The parkour way, out this way, or the ladder way.
Hi. We could literally get on houses' roof from here, but our mission today is to try and get into here as best as possible. So we're gonna all try and fit through the small window down the ladder.
We'll go there.
1 minute.
I'm doing Assassin's Creed into the mud sander.
Jump into the
Oh, no. We'd actually rather do that, but like if we miss, you know, we're dead.
Oh,
Pretty
don't
much.
miss, because like if you do like a flip or something, like it'll propel
Yeah.
you forward.
Yeah, that would actually be really sick to do.
Guys, as you can see, ArgMercz is going to try and get through the window now. Let's see if he can do it. See, if he falls, there's a possibility he could land on that glass there, kind of break it, but still manage to catch his fall. And as you can see, Alan's a little ninja, which could probably get through there. And he's through.
Such a small fit.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so hot.
So if you're struggling to get through there, I'm going to struggle to get through there.
Yo, I'm through.
Man, no. Oh my god. I have a record inside. Oh my god. Eve, do you want to try?
Oh my days. It's so hollow in here, guys. So hollow. Oh my days. Yeah. Oh shit, I just stood on wood. Shit. Oh. This is actually really sick. Well, that must be where the lift is going. But this is so hollow. Honestly, it's so hollow in here. Bathroom, bedroom, small kitchen. Don't know what that's going to be. And this must be the living room because it's the biggest. And it just looks like a living room. So, it's so hollow in here though, honestly. Yo! Yo! You's gonna try and get through bottom?
Yeah,
I'm
but
going to try to get through this way.
Wait, where's the pole? Am I on the pole?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Right, I guess I'll see you in here. It's so sick in here, honestly,
Right,
it's awesome.
If you hear us shout, then that means one of us can't get through.
Yeah. Right, so while they're trying to get through, You're stuck. While these are trying to get through it. Oh, Jesus. Shower. Oh, it smells, man. It smells like something horrible. But this is so dope to actually be in here. There's literally stairs right here as well that you can go up and down and see what's down the floor. It's probably just going to be the exact same, to be honest. Lift will go here, obviously, if there is a lift going. Walking through a door. This is mad. This is actually mad. And see, this is why I like being so small. This is why I like being a midget, because I can just fit into small spaces. Like that window was actually really small to fit into, and I've done it because I'm small. Hello! So hollow. It's actually mad how hollow it is. Oh my god. Right, so what I've just said is try and open one of the doors or windows at the bottom so they can actually get in, because right now they can't get in. Is this the bottom? There's got to be more stairs than this, surely. It's literally only went down one floor. Oh, okay. I definitely haven't explored here, I don't think. It's a pretty small kitchen though, but it is a nice kitchen. It's pretty small. I could so get lost in here. Like, honestly, it's actually mad how lost I could actually get. 1 minute! Well, this is the big window. That one. Oh, okay, there is another floor that you can go down. I totally missed the stairs. How does that happen? Whoa. Guys, get in, quick. Get in, guys, quick. Quick. It's so sick in here, honestly. It is amazing.
If you can get 15 likes on this video, no joke, me, Alan, Ethan will come back in here and do 24 hours. 15 likes and then you've got that video.
Yeah,
trust me on
15
that.
likes, guys. If you want to see that, we are down to do it.
Oi, I'm going above floor, man.
Yeah, this is so sick though. Honestly, I'm so happy that was an emergency
Get
door.
more people.
See what's in there.
We're in kind of like a kitchen space here.
Yeah.
See if there's that. Oh,
It's just
bits of
papers.
tools, papers in that
Yeah.
one. Nothing. No.
Wait, what was in here? It's like
Is that you? Oh, you guys, come check over here. Let me find it. Is it one more stairs?
Are you getting lost?
Kind of.
Yeah, down there. That's where the lift might be, to be honest. But yeah. Oh yeah, what did you say as well? Get more people.
Oh yeah, and say if this gets 15 likes for like the same overnight challenge, we'll get more people and come in here and do hide and seek.
Yes, that is gonna be mad. Guys, look what we found.
Jesus
They
Christ.
are actually really dope.
They go up as well. Wait until I get it to the bottom and they fold back in. That's actually sick.
That is sick. Been trying to be a builder. What is this? You think this leads to the roof? I doubt it. These ladders are so small. Okay, no, it's just like the top window up here. There's literally it just literally dents in a bit here. It's nothing. This is the view from the top, very top. That's the roof. So yeah, we're gonna try and get up there. Right guys, so since we're talking about roofs and getting up on this roof, since the house roof over here is really close to the scaffolding, I'm literally just gonna try and get on there. Like the
Do you know
best.
the way you're gonna get on here? It's one of these two, yeah?
Yeah.
Unless you bloody jump and risk end up killing yourself.
I reckon I'll be able to do it.
You're a madman. You're clapped.
Oh my god.
Hello. Your turn. I'm not getting over there. shower now. You're getting back over, G. Easy. You're not jumping that. You're fucking crazy. Oh, nah, yours over. Nice knowing ya.
Saying shut up.
You're slipping, you idiot.
I'm trying to stabilise myself.
Wait, I need to see this. I need to check this out, man. Oh my god, guys. What is he doing? There's people going past.
Sit down, put your feet over.
People going past.
Do I care?
Well, if we get the cops called on us.
Oh.
Come on, it's alright.
Got myself in a bit of a pickle here.
Yeah,
Do
exactly.
what you're gonna do, that'll be
What,
alright.
jump?
No. Do not jump, I swear.
You're not jumping this.
Move out the way.
There's no way.
Don't. If you die, I'm gonna kill you. Just do what
I
you're
could
gonna
make it.
do. It then, big man.
Actually, wait. I'm going. I don't want to, just in case I slip in it. But I don't know.
Nice knowing you, kid.
Do what you're gonna do here, and then I'll grab you.
Wait. I think I've got an idea.
Yeah, go to one of the long ones. Oh, kid.
No.
You,
Do what
you're.
you're gonna do with your feet.
How's that gonna work?
If
You're
you put
a
your foot on it
fucking
and I
over.
can pull you up. I can pull you up, then you can.
It seems
use your
so
feet, yeah.
easy getting over. It's just this bit.
It's like getting up and down.
Unless I literally try and grab onto that the best I possibly can. Or do it from there. So it's.
Jesus, this roof is mad.
Just do what you're gonna do.
And you need to get
Put
over
your
it
foot
and
on
get
that.
back over.
Pull you.
Jeez, this is mental, man. Why did I get over here?
Wait, go onto that house. And then jump into the bushes.
Bushes, them.
No,
That
no.
house there. And then jump onto the trees and bushes.
No, don't.
Before I do it.
Do
Get
it.
back this way.
No,
Because you could end up hurting yourself that way.
That's his problem, man.
You're a clap, kid.
That is like.
Kid, you're clapped, fam. Nah, do an Assassin's Creed, yeah, into the washing line there.
Do it to the bush.
Do it into the washing line.
Oh wait.
Yeah, do it to one of the long ones, like I've been saying.
He's a longer.
No,
Oh my God.
He's got over though. They are longer. He's over, man. There he is, young savage.
It's just caught, guys. We was literally just caught as soon as we got over from the roof.
You know where you want to hit up? We'll use. I've got somewhere to hit up.
Where?
Our way where they're building the houses.
That's a sick place to be honest.
Let's go.
Go. Police have been called. Police have been called on us, guys. We've seen it like twice. I really wish I could have got the video clip for you. I couldn't. Guys, so we're hibernating right now. We're literally just like, it's like we're hibernating because we're literally hiding at the moment. I'm sorry I couldn't get the cop car on record. It literally drove past as soon as I was about to hit record, and I was like, fuck's sake, man. You know, and I was just so angry at myself for not hitting record any sooner.
Okay, I'm kind of
Uh,
getting a bit wet, yeah.
But right now, me and Callum actually did go back to see if it was actually for us, and
It looked like it was, but
they literally drove straight past us, looking directly at us by a block of flats, and then me and Callum literally ran down an alley and they turned back. So yeah, we're just gonna be hibernating for a bit, and it's literally pouring it down the rain right now, so we're trying to stay dry at the same time.
yeah.
We are soaked now though, but we're still trying to stay dry at the same time so we don't get any more wet. And but yeah, we just went into hibernating right now. We've literally we're just hiding it out for a bit.
But we could be hiding it, or they'll probably just tell us off, like, just to say that
Exactly.
it wasn't safe for us to go up there.
They'll probably just give us a warning, say don't do it again or some shit. But guys, we're gonna hit up another construction site that's around this area tomorrow.
Yeah.
Obviously right now we can't. It's going to be way too wet and it's going to be way too risky as the cops are already out for us technically. But yeah, we're just hibernating for a bit. We're just hiding, and we'll give you an update after. The cop car is literally right where we were doing that video, right there. That is mad. Yo guys, thanks so much for watching today's video. It was absolutely insane.
Yes, it was, and we did manage to escape the police, as you can see it as this outro of the video. If you want to see any more content like this, leave a like, subscribe, and peace.